Sides TV with me, Asma. On Saturday, President Donald Trump invoked the 1798 Alien Enemies Act, a controversial and rarely used law to fast-track mass deportations of Venezuelan nationals linked to criminal organizations, particularly targeting the Tren de Aragua gang. The declaration, which calls the gang as invasion under Venezuela's government, aims to bolster Trump's tough immigration stance. This move coincides with a federal judge in Washington blocking the deportation of 5 Venezuelans, indicating the potential for a significant legal battle. The unprecedented use of the Alien Enemies Act has raised concerns among immigration groups and legal experts, leading to swift legal challenges. Here's a special story from Foresights TV. The 1798 Alien Enemies Act, historically used to justify actions against enemy nationals during wartime, had last been invoked during World War II to intern Japanese-American civilians. It has only been used twice before, during World War I and the War of 1812. Trump's declaration specifically targets the Tren de Aragua, a Venezuelan gang with alleged ties to the regime of President Nicolás Maduro. The Trump administration claims that the gang, which operates transnationally, possesses a substantial threat to national security by conducting criminal activities within the United States. The act allows for swift deportations without the usual legal proceedings, claiming the justification for national security threats from foreign entities. Following Trump's announcement, the American Civil Liberties Union, or ACLU, and Democracy Forward filed a lawsuit on behalf of 5 Venezuelans whose deportation cases were rapidly advancing under the new declaration. A federal judge, James E. Boasberg, responded by issuing a temporary restraining order blocking the deportation of these 5 individuals for 14 days. Boasberg cited the need to preserve the status quo and scheduled a hearing to determine if the order should be extended to all Venezuelan nationals in the U.S. The swift legal intervention demonstrates the complexity of applying such a sweeping national security measure, as it bypasses many legal protections typically granted to immigrants. The Trump administration quickly responded by appealing the restraining order, arguing that it undermines executive authorities and could set dangerous precedents for judicial interference in national security matters. The Justice Department warned that allowing courts to halt urgent national security measures, such as deportations tied to alleged gang activity, could pave the way for the judiciary to interfere in broader national security operations like drone strikes or intelligence gathering. Furthermore, the White House has already labeled Tren de Aragua as a terrorist organization and plans to transfer about 300 suspected members to detention in El Salvador. This legal battle underscores the broader implications of the Alien Enemies Act, granting Trump sweeping power to act against foreign nationals without the usual legal hurdles. President Trump's invocation of the 1798 Alien Enemies Act to target Venezuelan nationals linked to the Tren de Aragua gang has sparked immediate legal and political controversy. While the administration argues that the act is a necessary measure for national security, the rapid legal challenges demonstrate the complexities of using such an outdated and extreme law in contemporary times. As federal courts weigh in on the legality of the deportations, the broader implications of this move, potentially undermining immigration rights and executive powers, remain uncertain. The outcome of this legal battle could set a significant precedent for how national security laws are applied to immigration and foreign nationals in the future. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Foresights TV with me, Asma.